New tonight now, a plan that could affect your kids in a big way.
Lawmakers are considering changes that could decide who gets custody in a divorce. Investigative reporter Erica Washington joins us now. And Erica, lawmakers have brought this issue up during the past two sessions, and it is really controversial.
Lisa, here's one reason why. More potential children could be dragged into the middle, especially if it's a nasty divorce. Now, this bill was vetoed by the governor this session, but it's not going anywhere. It's just a matter of time before it could affect your family.
I get them all through the week, and then he has them on the weekends.
Cherie Kovac's 4 children split their time between their mom and dad, who are going through a divorce.
The cape!
Under current law, a judge considers what's in the best interest of the child. Traditionally, that usually means more time spent with the child's mother. Under new legislation, judges will automatically rule a child spend his or her time equally between both parents. Attorney Sherry DeWitt of DeWitt Law Firm has handled hundreds of divorce cases.
It's almost like it's a presumption that the best interest of the child is 50-50.
Psychiatrist Dr. Robert Goldstein says on the positive it may provide more of an even playing field for fathers.
It's more inclusive to fathers, and it encourages them to be more responsible in their children's lives.
Blake Evans says he's been fighting for 50% custody of his son and agrees.
It's often very hard for fathers who want to be there to be a part of their children's life.
A lot of parents feel that it's not fair to start there for all families because the situation from one family to another can vary significantly.
So what if you think one parent should not be entitled to equal time? You're going to be required to prove the time shouldn't be split 50-50. For example, things like neglect, unable to provide for the child, conviction of first-degree misdemeanors or domestic violence charges. All could be valid reasons for a judge to shift the balance. But DeWitt says deviating from the 50-50 won't be easy. A major concern is that children will have to be more involved in the process.
It may be that more parents will want their children to testify in order to show that there's a reason to deviate from that.
Dr. Goldstein says the last thing you want to do is involve your kids, which can likely happen under this legislation.
This could be tremendously damaging to a kid. I mean, being forced to be pulled one way or another to make a decision they may not have to make, to feel like they're betraying a parent.
As for Cherie and her children,
I am not opposed to it. I'm opposed to it just being across the line.
Now, whatever your opinion is on this matter, you still have time for your voice to be heard and get results. Contact your representative and make sure they know how you feel about this proposed legislation.
All right, Erica Washington, thank you.